Alright guys, so I was gonna take my kids to school and I tried turning on the Escalade and it didn't turn on, so went to Harbor Freight to get a battery charger and engine starter, and we're gonna try it out and see how it works. Seen other reviews on it. Gonna go ahead and connect this one. Alright, so it's saying green, fully charged, and we're gonna try to emergency engine start. Look how this thing is acting. It's not acting like it's supposed to, right? Alright, let's go try to start it. See what it does. Alright. See if it works. Nope. Nothing. Everything's connected, right? Quick charge. Let's see if it charges it a little bit. So it has a 50 amp, which is the emergency engine start, the 10 amp, which is the quick charge, the 2 amp, which is trickle charge. And it doesn't seem like it works though. So this Syntec is going back. It's no good.